What's happening, guys, and welcome back to our channel. Limousines are no longer only extensions of enormous top-of-the-line expensive cars. Limousines may now be made using SUVs and even some models of huge trucks just as easily as they can be made from massive luxury sedans. The limousine business is projected to be worth $4 billion. From companies that are all-rounders to limo-based alone, the following would be an extensive look into the most luxurious limousines in the world. Number 10. Cadillac XTS Limo. The price ranges from $48,635 to $48,700. This is essentially an extension of Cadillac's XTS sedan with a length having triple doors on either side. The XTS limousine, which was introduced in 2012 and is made in either Ontario or Shanghai, has a 6-cylinder engine. A leather layer on the inner top of the vehicle, lighted door locks, a rear console, and inbuilt navigation are all included in the system. Surround sound premium speaker, atmospheric lighting, heated seats, thermostats, and side and rear window blinds are there in this elegant car, in addition to the basic leather upholstery and in-car bars. Number 9. Lincoln MKS Limo. The starting price is $49,800. It's a stretch of the MKS multiple-door sedan manufactured in Chicago by Ford Motors. The full-stretch MKS limousine, unlike the XTS, doesn't have an additional door on either side, although it does have the option of front or all-wheel drive. After the MKZ crossover proved to be a significantly less desirable substitute to the Lincoln Town Car limousines, which were the most widely used driven limos in the USA for almost 3 decades, Lincoln debuted the MKS limousine in 2013. Following Ford's plans to phase out all the other cars, Lincoln needed to find a replacement, and the MKS was chosen. Number 8. Porsche Cayenne Limo. With a starting price of $75,000, this is Porsche's Cayenne SUV in an extended form. An 8-cylinder engine powers this beast of a limousine. The Cayenne limousine's most popular feature, according to many sources, including customer evaluations, appears to be its onboard stereo system, which several customers compare to a live concert audio presentation. In various models, the car has a CD and DVD player, as well as 3 flat-screen televisions, and most customer evaluations lauded the vehicle's sophisticated onboard bar system. Number 7. SsangYong Chairman W. The starting price for the SsangYong Motors' SsangYong Chairman W is $103,000. Its full-size luxury formal is believed to be preferred by several South Korean providers due to its 4-wheel drive capabilities. 6 to 8-cylinder engines is what the automobile comes with, although the latter is said to be the biggest 8-cylinder ever built in Korea. Scottish leather seating, engine rear chairs, inductive charging gadgets, and expanded head and leg rests are also available. Number 6. Mitsubishi Dignity. The Mitsubishi Dignity's starting price is $105,500, and like the Chairman W, is a full-sized formal vehicle or non-stretch limousine. However, there are a few extended variations available. The Mitsubishi Dignity, which has front-wheel drive and about an 8-numbered cylinder engine, was brought back into production in 2012. The new Dignity is somewhat higher than the previous version, but thinner and shorter all around. Number 5. Hyundai Equus. $113,000 is the entry-level pricing for this vehicle. The Equus is essentially Hyundai's equivalent of the Dignity. The original Dignity was co-produced by Mitsubishi and Hyundai elected to sell its very own variant as the Hyundai Equus. The Equus Limo is a dressy vehicle with a slightly larger wheelbase than the normal Equus sedan, with leg support in the back seats. The regular engine is a V6, however, the armored version of the automobile comes with a V8. Because the limousine has not yet been widely advertised in the United States, nothing is known about it outside of Korea. Motorized footrests, suede seats, wood paneling, back leg support, as well as a massage system are all standard features. Number 4. Chrysler 300 Limo. The starting price for this is $140,000. The central area of this expanded variant of Chrysler's 300 sedans is as wide as the conventional 300 sedans. The automobile has a V8 Hemi motor and is regarded as one of the top extended limos by several limousine providers. The Chrysler 300 Limousine Paris Edition is a bold and attractive all-wheel drive luxury sedan that's sure to please small numbers or gatherings of VIPs, diplomats, politicians, and business executives. The NY Edition Chrysler 300 Limousine's total luxury and exclusive private transport are unrivaled. The 120-inch lengthened Chrysler 300 may rightfully claim to be a pioneer in the limousine industry thanks to its elegant modern style, world-class performance characteristics, and handcrafted modifications. The Chrysler 300 RHD Limousine in Paris Edition is a bold and attractive all-wheel drive luxury sedan for diplomats and politicians, business executives, celebrities, and performers. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Starting price is $154,000. The Cadillac XTS Stretch, like other Stretch variants, has 3 doors on each side. The S-Class limo also has a 12-cylinder engine and is one of the rare limos to win honors from major automotive publications and reviews like Car and Driver and Motor Trend. The S-Class represents Mercedes-Benz's famous and traditional engineering skill characteristics, the premium category of the automotive industry. With various improvements in the field of driver assistance, protection, and engagement, the product launch can be experienced with 4 human senses, including sight, feeling, hearing, and smell. Mercedes-Benz is defining the next era of personal transportation for today's world via technologies that put people first. The S-Class employs digitalization to create a vehicle that's sensitive to the requirements and desires of its occupants. MBUX has transformed the functioning of a Mercedes-Benz like no other invention in recent years. The new S-Class has the second version of this learn-capable technology. The inside of the car is rather digital and sophisticated thanks to advances in both hardware and software. Stunning projections on up to 5 enormous screens, some of which use OLED technology, make controlling automobile and leisure features much easier. The options for customization and straightforward operation have grown significantly. This is true not just in the back, but also in the front. The 3-dimensional driver displays, for example, offers for the first time a geographical overview at the press of a button without the use of 3D glasses, a truly 3-dimensional experience. With the activation of internet platforms in the Mercedes app, the voice assistant Hey Mercedes makes it more convenient. Furthermore, certain operations can be carried out even if the activation term Hey Mercedes is not used, and accepting phone calls is one of them. Hey Mercedes now also answers basic intelligence queries and explains car features. The voice assistants in the S-Class may also be operated from the backseat. Number 2. Cadillac One. The cost for this one is $300,000. There's a reason why there's just one price mentioned. The US president is the lone customer for the Cadillac One. The Cadillac One isn't really a conventional car service limousine. It's built like a 4-door car, which is the replacement of the previous legendary DeVille series. The automobile is based on a Chevrolet Kodiak commercial vehicle drivetrain and includes Escalade SUV-inspired headlamps and CTS sedan-inspired rear lights. Aside from that, there are solid reasons why it's dubbed the automobile that believes it's a tank by the automotive press. To shield the president and its aides from a biological assault, the body is made up of steel, titanium, aluminum, and ceramic, and is insulated to a level of a military tank. To survive even a direct impact, the gasoline tank is protected in thick foam. Just in case, the front has night vision illumination cameras and tear gas cannons. The glass is 6 layers thick, preventing any gunshot from passing through before reaching the president. In the case of a medical emergency, the president's blood type is stored in 2 huge containers in the trunk. The doors are also as hefty as those of a Boeing 757. Number 1. Toyota Century Royal. $534,135 is the price. The Century Royal, like the Cadillac One, has just one user and no commercial vehicle service may purchase one. Since 2006, Toyota has only constructed 4 Century Royals exclusively for the Kings. The Century Royal, like the S-Class, features a 12-cylinder engine. Many limousine companies choose to purchase the baseline cars and afterwards deliver them to designers to be converted into stretch limos. The automobiles described here, however, are those produced by the vehicle brands themselves. Their advancement in this matter alone reaffirms that modern technology is moving at a breakneck pace. So which one of these do you like the most? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, then let us know by smashing that like button, and if you haven't done so already, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you can be notified of our videos going forward. And with that, we'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!